Hey everyone, if your Navien Tankless water heater suddenly isn't giving you hot water, don't panic. Most causes can be identified with a clear, step-by-step approach. Tankless systems are smart, but when one requirement isn't met, they simply won't heat. Let's walk through how to quickly diagnose the problem the right way. Start with the basics, because most failures happen here. Confirm the unit has power, the breaker hasn't tripped, and the display is on. Next, make sure the gas valve is fully open and your home has adequate gas pressure. Then check water pressure and inspect the inlet filter. Low flow or a clogged filter will prevent ignition. After that, look at the control panel for error codes, which tell you exactly what's wrong. Codes like ignition failure, flame detection errors, or heat exchanger warnings point directly to the affected component. Before taking anything apart, perform a simple reset by turning the power off, waiting 30 seconds, and turning it back on. This alone fixes many temporary faults. If the issue continues, inspect critical parts like the flow sensor, igniter, flame rod, and venting system. Any blockage, dirt, or airflow restriction can stop hot water production. Long-term reliability depends on regular maintenance, clean filters, flush the heat exchanger yearly, and keep vents clear. If problems persist or error codes return, it's time to call a qualified technician to avoid damage or safety risks.